Prepositions of place are words that tell us where something or someone is located compared to something else. They help us understand position and location in English. These small words make a big difference in describing where things are. Inside means something is within the boundaries of a place or object. The cat is inside the room means the cat is in the enclosed space of the room. Outside means something is beyond the boundaries in the open area. The dog is outside the house means the dog is not inside, but around the house. Keys are inside the drawer means the keys are within the closed space of the drawer. Food is inside the fridge means the food is in the enclosed refrigerator. People are inside the theater means they are within the building watching the show. Bike is outside the school means the bike is in the open area around the school building. Workers are inside the office means they are working within the office space of the building. Meeting is inside the conference room means the meeting happens within that specific enclosed room. Protesters are outside the bank means they demonstrate in the open area around the bank building. Sign is outside the hotel means the sign is visible in the exterior area. Laptop is inside the bedroom means the laptop is within the bedroom space. Clock is inside the kitchen means the clock is within the kitchen area. Shoes are outside the bathroom means the shoes wait in the hallway area, not inside the bathroom. Coat is outside the bedroom means the coat hangs in the hallway near the bedroom door. Inside describes being within the boundaries or interior of a place or object. The keys are inside the box means the keys exist in the enclosed space created by the box. Outside describes being beyond the boundaries or exterior of a place. The bicycle is outside the house means the bicycle stays in the open air around the house, not within its walls. Use inside when something is physically within the boundaries of a place or object. Outside means being external to those boundaries. Never use the word of after inside or outside. Inside often suggests a closed or enclosed space, while outside refers to open areas beyond walls or borders. Practice makes perfect with prepositions. The cat is inside the box. The car is inside the garage. The children are playing outside the park. The keys are inside the drawer. The bike is parked outside the house. Try these sentences to test your understanding of inside and outside.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.